Hello, this is Augustus and Daddy, our 15th video, and we're looking at yeast. And as you can see, we just turned the dial, and we're going to turn it more and more out through the show. And
what does yeast go in, Augustus?
Bread. It's alive, but it doesn't have eyes, or nose, or mouth. It's just alive. Like grass. Right?
Well, you tell me.
And we are right. So, we have to cut this short, folks, but it is really time late. And I hope you enjoy this and look out for more Augustus and Daddy videos. Bye-bye.
Kiss smack.
Did I do better? Even better than the other one?